Oh, Molly.
Are you up there? From the JackJackPlays. We have a grader. Look, it's a bulldozer. It's hard to open.
Rip that sucker.
It's a scraper. Look, I'm digging.
What's that? Let's see. What's that, Ruth?
It's a grader.
Rip that sucker open.
We have to dig, so everyone.
Oh, Jackie got it. Let's take a good look at this thing. How many wheels does it have? It's got 6 wheels.
Wheels over here on the back.
It scrapes really well.
No. This is a heavy load. I need somebody's help. Grader, I need your help. I'll push it out of the way. No, push it and finish the job. You're finished. You're finished. No, we need to flatten out.
Molly, what are you doing?
We need to dig this all up. Sorry, but it seems that I have to lower my... I see something under here. It's a thing. Look. We need to still dig it. It's not rough enough. We need to dig it so we don't want to take out the mat. I think it's my job. It's digging time. It's digging time.
Is it trench digging time?
Yeah. But we have to fill up all this. Digging machine over here now. You couldn't smooth it. It's time for me. My job can be really fast. Oh, you do the job? What about Craney? Craney can, but he can have a big arm like this. I do. Look how big mine is. Are you bigger than me? Yeah. See how much bigger I am? The dirt like this. And we get rid of the dirt.
Oh no, poor Molly.
He needs to get out of here.
Say, bad Molly.
Bad
Move.
Molly.
Oh no, Molly, move.
Molly, move. Move.
Good girl. Are you a good girl, Molly? Yes.
This, then I bring it somewhere. Stay for us. Over here. We need to go up and check up above. Up. Grab. Try and catch me, kids.
But I gotta get over there. We gotta get over there, kids, and get Jackie. There he is. Whoa. We're gonna get you.
No, don't catch me. Don't catch me. Yes. I'm a Rocky Bow. I am a Rocky Bow. How about we play Star Wars? I am R2-D2. What are you? I'm Ray. Okay, Ray. Are you a good guy? Yeah. Solar system up above. We're not in space. Hi. Me, Daddy. Let's go inside here. Here. Knock it on. Smoothing out the road. No, it's not ready. Get out of the way. Out of the way. This big truck has two grading. On
Your mouth. It's covered in dirt. Dirt.
I'll bring it up. Say go.
Watch out, Molly.
Blade cutter.
Oh,
It cuts.
when the blade's like that.
How a blade like this.
Can you show the kids?
It goes cutting into giant things. It cuts like this. So sharp that it can tear up the ground. And everything that it goes on. Also, it can go on slides.
It's pretty hard to push up the slide.
But it can go down backwards. You want to see it? We need to grade out this thing. We need to go to the construction site. Cutting into it, make a bigger pile. A bigger pile. It cuts through this. See see how it's cut? It cut into the blade.
It did. It made a furrow in the dirt or trench.
You want to see? Make a big pile. Blade can cut. It can blade cut anything. Then you give me more sand. And we need it to come. And we need it to come. Let's drop it. Need the crane to help us get.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, it got dark. Bye everybody. Thanks for watching Jack Jack Plays. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. I love you, Molly.
Can you say bye, Jackie?
I can say bye.
Guess not.